Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, o magandang gabi, anumang oras na napanood ninyo ang video ito. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ang isang magandang kayamanan. Ang topic natin na pag-usapan ngayong araw na ito ay slope of the line. Slope is a surface that is rising or lowering with one end or side at a greater level than the other. So marami po 'yan, makikita po natin ang slope, no? Sa yung gilid ng mountain, yung hagdan, naka-slope din 'yan. Yung mga kalsada, no, na paahon o pababa, mga rampa. So naka-slope po 'yon. Ito po yung formula natin ng slope. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1 o equals the rise over the run. Example 1. Determine the slope of the line passes through points 5, 8 and 2, negative 1. Graph the points. So, meron tayong dalawang given, no? Point 1 and point 2. Ang point 1 natin, 5, 8, where the x sub 1 is 5 and y sub 1 is 8. At point 2, ang x sub 2 ay 2 and y sub 2 is negative 1. Using our slope formula, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, equals, ang atin pong y sub 2 is negative 1 minus 8, yun po yung ating y sub 1, over, ang x sub 2 ay 2, minus 5. Okay? So, negative 1 minus 8 is negative 9. Tapos, 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Then, negative 9 divided by negative 3 equals 3. Yun po yung ating slope. So, the slope is 3. So, kapag i-graph natin, so, ang point 1 natin, 5, 8. So, sa y-axis, so 5. Hanapin natin si 5. And then, ang y-axis is 8. So, yun po yung ating point, no? Ang point 2, 2, negative 1. 2 ang ating x sa positive, tapos negative 1 ang y natin, so nasa quadrant 4. So, ayan. Tapos connect natin, so yun yan. Yun yung label natin. 5, 8, tapos itong isa ay 2, negative 1. So, pag i-connect natin, so yun po yung ating line. So, yung slope niya ay 3. So, ibig sabihin, going up, no? Kasi positive yung slope. Example 2. Determine the slope of the line passes through points negative 2, 9 and 4, negative 3. Graph the points. So, ang ating point 1 ay negative 2, 9. Tapos, ang ating point 2, 4, negative 3. So, using the formula natin, ang ating slope, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ang y sub 2 natin is negative 3 minus 9. Tapos, ang x sub 2 natin ay 4 minus negative 2. Okay? So, negative 3 minus 9 ay negative 12. Tapos, yung 4 minus negative 2, so negative, tapos negative, so maging positive, kaya maging plus yung operation. So, 4 plus 2, so magiging 6. So, negative 12 over 6 ay negative 2. Ibig sabihin, yung ating slope nito, dahil negative yung ating slope, ay going down. Okay? So, kapag i-graph natin, negative 2, 9, so nasa quadrant 2. Okay? Negative 2, 9. Tapos, 4, negative 3, nasa quadrant 4. Yan. So, 4 yung x, positive, tapos negative 3, yung ating y. So, ayan, negative 2, 9, tapos itong isang point ay 4, negative 3. So, yan po yung ating line. So, ibig sabihin, going down. No? Pababa po yung ating line. Example 3. Determine the slope of the line passes through points negative 3, 2 and 4, 5. Graph the points. Again, the same process gagawin natin. So, point 1 is negative 3, 2. Point 2 is 4, 5. Tapos, substitute natin sa ating formula. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ang y sub 2 natin is 5 minus 2. Tapos, ang atin pong x sub 2 ay 4 minus negative 3. So, we come up 5 minus 2 ay 3. Tapos, 4 minus negative 3 ay 7. So, dahil negative, maging positive. So, 4 plus 3 ay 7. Okay, so 3 over 7. So, yun po yung slope natin. So, masyadong manipis, no? O, fraction form. Okay? Pero positive siya. So, ibig sabihin, going up dito. Yan. So, plot natin, negative 3, 2, nasa quadrant 2. Okay? Tapos, positive 4, 5. Yan. So, 4 yung ating x, 5 yung ating y. So, that's negative 3, 2. Tapos, ito naman ang 4, 5. Okay? So, yun po yung line natin. So, halos na nakahiga, no? Kasi masyadong maliit yung ating slope. Okay? So, yun po yung ating slope of the line. So, this is your activity. Yan. Try to answer this. Pwede kayong mag-comment, no? So, yun po ang end ng ating video. Maraming salamat. I hope you learned from this lesson. God bless.